How to connect the A1 smartwatch or the GT08 smartwatch or even the W87 smartwatch. And this is going to be connected to a OnePlus phone. And let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is be sure you are starting from the home screen here. Then you'll tap on the word menu here. And when you press menu, you'll notice how you'll be taken to all these different icons here, and you'll just browse over until you see the one with the Bluetooth icon. So you'll tap on it. There's going to be a delay in response here. Then you'll see power, visibility, and search new device. So for power, you'll press it once and it's going to say switching. Then it'll tell you it's on. You'll notice how it says on right there. Okay. Next up, you'll press the word visibility and make sure it switches to on. Okay. It has to say on. If it says off, tap it once and then it'll say on. Okay. And then next up now, you'll see the word search new device. Okay. So tap on that once. And once you're here, don't do anything else with your smartwatch. You'll now hop over to the OnePlus phone. So this is going to work for OnePlus phones with Android 11 and even Android 12. I noticed with Android 13, there may be a compatibility issue. So if you're having difficulties, that could be the reason why. Now for the OnePlus phone, you can use the quick panel access and look for Bluetooth, long press it. And once you're here, you'll go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth settings from here. That'll enable the Bluetooth settings for your OnePlus phone. It's going to start searching for nearby devices. Now this part, you'll have to do these together at the same time or almost in sync, because there's going to be a pairing request and you'll have to catch it as quick as possible. All right. So what we're going to do now is select search new device here. It's going to say search it. It'll show up your phone and it's going to show up here. So I'll tap it on the watch here and I'll tap here. You'll see pairing. Make sure the codes are matching and you'll press pair on either the phone or the watch first. And you'll press yes. All right. And it's going to have this here. You want to go with authorize so it can sync your contacts. And then you'll see that it's going to say in use for calls and media playback. Okay. And it might say unconnected or disconnected and it'll reconnect itself. So if it does that, don't panic. It usually does that when it's the first time connecting it. Okay. Now on your OnePlus phone, you can always come back here and make some changes. So you can use it for phone calls and contact sharing if you didn't get to enable that. As for the smartwatch itself, to know that you're connected to that device, there's this little icon across the name. So the name of your OnePlus will be here. And that icon here means it's the device it's connected to at the moment. All right. And that's that. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.